I need to learn how to. How'd you use?
Wait, hold on. Wait till I get. But no Austin. So you don't show any illustrations for forces.
No.
Why don't you show illustrations? Close the door real quick. We're gonna stick them up real quick.
This person needs life insurance.
Life insurance.
Yes, and I'm selling them life insurance.
Got you. So when's the last time you showed a Forrester's illustration?
Probably over 6 months ago.
6 months ago.
Yes.
And you're pretty much the guru of sales in this office outside of Manny when it comes to Forrester sales.
There's probably people that are better at Forrester sales. I've been writing a lot more IULs lately just because I've been in a different market. But my main thing when I was part-time was Forrester because from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. we're meeting with people that got 9 to 5s, so it's low budget policies.
Wow.
So my matchups was all, people were writing 6,000 points, 5,000 points in my base shop. My personal pen was all $25, $50, $100, $200 total budget, families.
Got you. So when you're on Zoom, you just put up the mobile apps. The mobile
app. I'll go through the presentation, future financial services, 3 ways, the crusade, second appointment, we do a FLS. And then if I determine that, we're going to Forresters, I'm going straight to a quote. I don't need to do an illustration.
Right, so during the presentation, I said I want to learn more about index accounts. Mm-hmm. And you get to my FLS, and
it just depends, man. So, if someone wants to learn more about the indexed account, I show them because sometimes the FLS is a little intrusive, and it does not convert.
Right.
So I don't want to really do this. I didn't know it was going to go on all this information. But if I hold true on my word and I show you an indexed account, and then now you're more open to seeing if you qualify for it.
Got you.
So.
And by qualify, you mean just if they have the right amount of money?
You're going to put in $500 or more if you're 30 plus. I would say $350 or more from age 25 to 30, and then at least 100 to 200 if you're under 25.
Gotcha. How do you feel about what Anna said? She said that I just put a 0 at the end of their age.
That's solid, man. That's solid advice. Okay. That's solid advice. I don't follow it, but it's solid advice.
Yeah, I just heard her say that.
I should. Honestly, I forgot about it until you said that, but it is solid advice.
I've never done. I just heard it, and I'm like, should I try? So I'm just curious on what you thought. Now, when it comes to the IUL breakdown, how long does it take you to go through IUL?
IUL breakdown should take no more than 15 minutes if they got questions.
Got you.
Yeah, I can do an FLS and IUL breakdown in 1 hour appointment.
Right, got you. So back to the mobile quotes. Yeah. That was good, man. That was a lot of gems, man. I appreciate that. When you go to the mobile quote and you share the screen, can you demonstrate what you would is that crazy?
No, it's not crazy. So Mr. Burke, we went through 3 ways, 5 homes. You kind of saw an IUL breakdown, and then on your FLS, you put that one of your top priorities was to have alternate income in case of death or disability, and we talked about that being more so, like traditional life insurance and long-term care coverage. You have 3 kids, man, and do you have any life insurance outside of work?
I don't. I have life insurance through work though. I thought that was good.
Okay.
Why do I need my own policy?
Yeah, so do you plan on staying at your job for the rest of your life?
No, I don't.
Gotcha. And do you understand that, life insurance is going to get more expensive as you get older?
Yeah, I do.
Cool. So would it make sense for you to lock in some cheaper coverage right now that's going to be permanent and last, when you leave your job rather than trying to find something that may or may not be affordable in the future?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Gotcha. Cool. Yeah. So I mean, do you believe that life insurance is like good, bad? Is it needed? Is it not needed?
No, it's needed.
Okay,
I think it's good.
awesome. And I mean, when it comes to life insurance, how much are you thinking about getting in coverage?
I mean, I don't know. What do you think I need?
Got you, man. I actually have this cool tool right here that actually shows you how much insurance you need.
Oh, okay.
Of course, this is a quote, but you know, just depending on your budget, we don't have
Gotcha.
to be able to see that. So, I mean, how much do you currently have in savings? We talking checkings, savings, money markets, CDs.
Like in total, how much do I have? Like
Yeah, like
savings?
liquid inside the bank. We talking
Probably-
about that fixed accounts.
Yeah, probably like 15,000.
Okay, solid. And then, how much do you have in investments, like variable accounts?
Probably like 300K.
Gotcha. And then you said no life insurance outside of work, right?
Correct.
Okay, cool. And then, are you a homeowner or renter?
I own a mortgage.
Okay, how much is on your mortgage?
Like 150. It's almost paid off.
Solid, man. Cool. And then, do you have any other outstanding debt? Credit cards, car loans, personal loans?
You have a car loan.
Student loans?
It's like
Just ballpark it. How much in total debt do you have outside of the mortgage?
it's probably like 20,000.
And then, how much would you want to put aside for like major life events, funerals, children's education, weddings, major life events? You know, things that come across
How
as
much
kind of
would-
lump sums.
How much would I put to the side?
Yeah.
What's like normal? I don't know.
People usually do about 10,000 for a funeral, children's education. Think about what type of school you want your kids to go to. Have you ever thought about that? Private school,
Yeah.
state college, community college.
Yeah. I probably. Yeah. I mean. Yeah. Like. Yeah. Probably private school.
Okay, so
For-
usually
for 4
about
years?
75 to 100 per kid.
Sheesh. Yeah. I don't know. Is there any way you can just do?
Yeah. I mean, so like we said, 10,000 for the average
Yeah.
funeral.
That's fine.
Let's say private school, 100K per kid, so that's
Okay.
300,000. We go about 325.
Okay. Yeah, that's fine.
And then, what's your yearly income after tax?
Probably like 75,000
Okay.
a year. My expenses.
And
are just
then,
like
what
that.
percentage of your income will your family need? Like right now, how much of your income goes towards expenses in the household, taking care of the lifestyle?
I say like 70%.
Okay, cool. And then, if anything was to happen to you, like how many years would your family require financial support?
Probably five to 10 years.
Okay. Which one?
Like 7, 8.
Okay. So your total life insurance needed is about $582,000. We can definitely get you that. Right now, what's like an amount per month that won't feel like a bill, won't stress you out, and won't take food off the table?
Yeah. Should I solve for 500K or is it based off my budget?
Well, I mean, we're going to try to solve for 500K as much as we can, but
My
I
budget's-
want to make sure it fits your budget, because the best type of life insurance, it's not term or permanent. It's actually the life insurance that's enforced when your family needs it the most. So
Sheesh.
yeah, like amount per month that you're willing to put towards
150.
about 150 a month.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Remember, like I told you, I have diabetes, type 2, and I have
Yeah.
cholesterol, high blood pressure.
Gotcha. So it takes us right into the quote. For a term policy, non-medical term, you can't really get $500,000 for 150, but you can probably get 300 or 400K.
Okay.
And the term policy, you will have that convertibility clause. So if you wanted to make it permanent in the future, you're able to lock it in. And it seems like you kind of have some pre-existing health conditions. So they actually have to guarantee that you can convert this into permanent coverage regardless of your health in the future. Would that be valuable? Something that we can keep low cost but actually ensure your insurable need?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, do I need a medical exam with my?
So we can submit non-medical, but just to go, um, you know, kind of with the path of least resistance, the medical route would be just because you already have the pre-existing conditions.
All right.
Yeah.
So go medical, or
Yeah, I would say go medical. Yeah.
like with this one to submit, or submit it non-medical, or submit it
No,
medical.
we're going to submit medical.
Gosh.
We're going to
56.
solve for face amount for $150 a month. Cool. Yeah, like I said, man, we could get you 20 years of coverage, 450,000. So it's about 100,000 less than your insurable need, but you can lock in 450K of life insurance and long-term care for $150 a month.
And I know you said I can convert it. Is
Yep.
there a certain amount that I have to pay when I convert it? Is it going to be more or less? Or?
So when you convert it, it's going to be determined on how much you convert.
Right.
So how much you convert into currency. So you have 450K, you could convert 100K if you wanted to.
And it'll be permanent for life.
And it's permanent for life. Yep. And so it's going to be dependent on how much death benefit and
Right.
what
Okay.
age you are. Yep.
That makes sense.
Question. So let's say your client you submit the fully underwriting,
Yeah.
and then they ask them to do medical. How do you go and schedule the medical exam?
You call the company, they put the number on there.
What company?
The company's number is on there.
It's under.
When they say, hey, we need a medical exam,
Yeah.
call this company.
Okay.
Yeah. Even on the application, it says, do you order it or do the company order it? And I usually just put agent because you don't want to be up there on their time.
Okay. Gotcha.
So at this point, it just can you save so do you submit the illustrations with the application for a term?
So for a term, you don't need an illustration because it's straight target.
Right.
For universal life, you're going to need to make an illustration on the back end.
Right.
So I do the illustration when we get off the call.
Right.
Or actually, I don't even do it. My placement coordinator
Right.
does it.
So you sell smart UOs from this too.
Yes.
Got you. So like, what's a smart UO, and like, can you explain?
Smart UL is a universal life insurance policy that provides a flexible premium, flexible death benefit option on it, right? So the person has the opportunity to contribute more. It also has the opportunity to contribute less. There's a minimum, a midpoint, and a maximum contribution they can make to that policy. You can also reduce their death benefit over time to decrease the cost of insurance to match their insurable need. So ideally, people back in the day would get term policies where they could get basically a large amount of coverage for very cheap, and then they're paying down their liabilities over time, so their insurable needs should decrease. So they need less insurance. So if they're going to re-up on term, it should be a way smaller policy. And the idea was they're always going to pay a cheaper amount for the amount of coverage that they need.
Wow.
But that wasn't the case. People were dying and they were outliving their coverage. So the coverage would expire. They would no longer be eligible. Health circumstances and things came up. So now they can't even reapply. Permanent coverage right now, this is going to allow you to lock in coverage for life. And then as your insurable need drops, you can lower your death benefit, also lowering your out-of-pocket costs. So it's basically the same strategy that they were trying to do with Primerica and all those different things back in the day, but it's a more permanent solution to cover the obligations that last a lifetime. So yeah, I mean it acts as a high yield savings account, but I really don't even talk about that. No, this is life insurance.
So do you ever max fund these policies?
Heck no.
So you target every time?
Yes.
Every time.
Yes.
Got you.
This is life insurance.
Right.
If you pay the target, you're gonna have guaranteed life insurance coverage.
So any other sauce I should know right now? I didn't member benefits.
Member benefits, man. The only thing people really want, free healthcare directive, free power of attorney, free will, free living trust. If you got a pet, free pet trust. Then the scholarships, they just increased the scholarships to 2,500 from 2,000. You can get access to grant funding twice a year, 1,500 each time every 6 months, so $3,000 per member per year. Then they have member benefits that apply to reimbursements for higher learning education. So if you want to go and get some type of certificate or licensing or something, they'll give you a reimbursement of up to $750 a year. Orphan benefits. You become an orphan, they'll pay your child $900 a month until they're age 18. Supplemental income on top of the death benefit. A lot of different things, man.
So you heard about the electronics and things of that nature, like?
Yeah.
Do you know anybody who's ever accessed them or not?
The e-library?
It's
like the online courses?
No, it's one joint. It says like the top right, and it's like electronics, theme parks, movies.
Oh yeah.
Discounts.
Yeah. I mean, they send me movie tickets and stuff.
For real?
Me, yeah, like AMC gift cards.
Stop it.
Yeah.
Stop.
Yeah.
In like your email or like?
No, to your door. In
What?
A box.
Stop. Can I order it or like they just?
They just send it. So if you get the app and you just connect the app, I think it connects to like your Apple Health app.
Dang.
And like your steps and stuff, like if you just drinking water, walking around, like they'll send you movie tickets or they'll send you gift cards and stuff like that.
And you said it's connected to your Apple
I think so. I'm not sure
Yeah,
how
yeah,
they
yeah.
do it. Like you just press allow when you download the
Wow.
app. You let it take whatever it wants.
Man, that's good.
Yeah.
Man, that's
I
good.
mean, at the end of the day, if they're gonna scam me, scam me.
Nah, that's good. So if I'm a parent
Yeah.
and I have a policy and my kid is going to school, can I give my kid a scholarship with my policy or my kid needs their own policy?
Man, I'm not even gonna lie. I haven't even went that deep into it.
But,
I have no clue.
okay, but no, it's all good.
I think that the person that
Who owns
has
it
the policy
is the one.
person.
Right, got
Yeah,
you.
So if you want your kid to get a scholarship,
He
your
needs
kid
the
needs to be a member.
Right, got
So
you.
your
So
kid needs to get a policy.
Right.
If they're under age 18, you get them a policy for $5, $2.
that makes sense. What's the earliest a kid can get a policy? How
2
old?
weeks, basically, as soon as you get a social security number. So if you pop out and you got a social security number on the spot, you can get some life insurance.
So a client asked me today. She had $100. She said, "What's the best policy for my kid?"
Best policy for your
For
kid, $100
$100
a month,
3 months out the world.
and she has $100 a month
$100
guaranteed.
a month guaranteed.
Max funded IUL.
Max funded.
Yeah. 3-month-old, max funded IUL until age 18. That kid's gonna have a multiple 6-figure retirement account, tax free. Probably $700,000, $800,000 of tax free cash in that policy. So she could stop making premium payments at age 18.
Wow. So yeah, she asked me, should she do Foresters or an NOG?
Yeah, I mean you're gonna get like 75 points, but
Yeah. So should I get so don't give her the Foresters with the member benefits. Max fund that bad boy.
she has $100 for her kid.
$100 a month.
Perfect. $100 for your kid. What do you have for yourself?
She has $100 Smart UL.
There you go.
Yeah, she has that.
She has it already. So
And
there
then
you
the
go.
kid now, it's a
Yeah.
max funded IU.
Yeah. You get an app count with kids' policies, points with the parents.
Right.
I'm not trying to maximize points on the kid's policy.
Yeah, that's
I'm
strong.
maximizing value so that you send me referrals.
Right, got you. That's good. But you need to go bald again. I ain't gonna lie. But that's about anything else I should know. This is going on YouTube. This is public.
Put it on YouTube, man.
Austin,
Yeah.
Talbert, SOS, $100,000,
Close
12 months, close out, part timer. This is March 30th, 2025. 2026.
We went back to the future.
March 30th, 2026. Before we go to branch off, where are you going in 9 months?
In 9 months, I'm going to Virginia, but Ultimate destination is gonna be Florida.
Got you. Where can they find you on social media, brother?
ITS_ATL on LinkedIn, Austin Talbert Loving. On Facebook, Austin Talbert Loving is a Facebook group. BWM Financial Services Agency. You can tap in. I'll give you behind the scenes of everything. If you want a game like this, you can go in the group.
Wow.
Yeah, you want to know how we operate, compensation. You want to know what goes on at BOM. You can go in the group and figure it out.
Wow. And you said you'll be going where in the next couple years? You said
Man, we going to Florida, man.
Florida.
Sell the dream.
Gotcha.
Dolphins gonna be closing, y'all, not me.
Gotcha. And what's your company, your agency name?
VWM Financial Services Agency.
Got you. Yep. So if you have any agents that are going to be in Florida in the next couple years,
The next 3 years.
3 years, man, y'all know where the NCL, man.
Yeah,
Appreciate the free game forces.
for sure.
Close out. Number one team, SOS. BC Rock. It's a lot.